Come test drive the 2016 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Mazda Certified Pre-Owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough, detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda Certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda Certified means that you have both limited and powertrain warranty and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic Certified Pre-Owned program.